Hello everyone, welcome back. Finally it's spring, so it's time for a spring makeup tutorial. Today's look is going to be a pinky peachy look with some shifty duochrome shades, which I love. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. And of course subscribe because I do a lot of makeup on this channel. Now let's get started. And the first step is to apply the crease color, which is going to be this peachy pinky shade from L'Oreal, which is in my project pan. As you can tell, soon I will be done with this and you will not see this in videos anymore, I promise you. So with a smaller brush, because I just cannot fit in there, I'm getting the color on the brush and applying this all over the crease. And then a little bit of this underneath the eyes. And then the main star of the show is going to be the lid color, which is coming from this NYX palette, which is this one. And of course I'm gonna be using that pinky peach shade on the rest of the lid. It has a tiny bit of a shimmer, like gold shimmer in it, which is going to be lovely on the lid. And I'm just using this angled brush to apply it. So on the brush and on the lid. Yes, gorgeous, just what I wanted. It's really cute, but somehow I want it to be a little bit more pink and a little bit more cool toned, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be adding in this palette, which is also in the project pan. This is the one, of course. And I feel like I want to put this shiny shade, like this one, also all over the lid. Probably mix it in a tiny bit of these as well, like just like that, and then one of those. And that should be the perfect shade. Yes, perfect. Now it's just the perfect shade. And now for the real attraction, we're going to be adding in the Duochrome greens. Both of them are from Essence. Space Glam and Meta Glow. I'm starting with a Meta Glow pencil and I'm going to put this as if I were creating a cut crease. I'm just putting it on the crease line actually. And just pull them out a little. And then to create a tiny bit of a spotlight eye, I'm adding in this color from Essence, which is the Space Glam. This is the shade. And just a little bit on my finger at the center of the lid. Look at it, how gorgeous. And that's only how much I want to put, just to catch the light. And then the rest of it I'm going to put on the brow bone. Perfect. And for the inner corner, I'm going back into the pencil, the Meta Glow one. And then on top of this pencil, of course, I'm putting the eyeshadow. So going back into this one on a pencil brush, and I'm putting it in the inner corner, just to make it pop. And this is the eye look. I kind of debated liner, but you know what? I don't want to ruin the beautiful two-toned and multicolored eyelid. So I'm just putting on mascara for this. Of course, the MAC 3D. Okay, and for a last step, I am adding in an eyeliner in the waterline. Of course, eyeliner pencil. This is the Tropics, the Pastel Tropics from Lovely. And this happens to be also like a peachy shade, and it's gonna just pop on the waterline. And now the eye look is complete. And for the lips, I want to create kind of like a peachy pinky shade of lipstick, which I don't exactly have. So I'm using a bunch of things. So I'm using a couple of lip products to create my perfect shade. So these will be them. I'm starting up with the Trended Up Contour and Glide Pencil. The shade is 260. And of course, just lining my lip. This is to create a perfect pink base for the lip. And then I'm going in with this peachy colored lipstick from NYX. This is a butter lipstick. Then of course the shade. But I kind of want the lip to be a bit more pinky and of course shiny and sheer. So I'm adding this NYX lip oil. This is Everything lip oil. And this is called Sheer Blush. And the perfect peachy pinky lip for spring. Okay everyone, so this is my fun pink and duochrome makeup look for spring. I hope you will try to recreate it because it's really fun. And then until the next makeup look or the next video. Bye bye.